Natural light has a powerful impact on how your home looks and feels. It can make rooms appear larger, more inviting, and more comfortable to live in every day. For homeowners in Pasadena, where sunshine is abundant, picture windows are one of the best ways to maximize natural light while enhancing both style and efficiency. Picture windows are large, fixed windows designed to provide unobstructed views and allow maximum sunlight into your home. Because they don't open, they feature expansive glass surfaces without interruptions from frames or moving parts. This simple design is what makes them so effective at brightening living spaces. One of the most noticeable benefits of picture windows is how much light they bring into a room. Their wide, clear panes allow sunlight to flow in freely, filling your space from wall to wall. In Pasadena homes, this can transform darker areas into bright, welcoming environments that feel more open and comfortable throughout the day. This increase in natural light also enhances the overall appearance of your home. Sunlight highlights colors, textures, and design details, making your interior decor stand out. Whether it's your furniture, flooring, or wall finishes, everything looks more vibrant under natural light. This creates a warm, inviting atmosphere that artificial lighting simply can't replicate. Another advantage of picture windows is their ability to make rooms feel larger. By opening up your view to the outdoors, they create a sense of expanded space. In Pasadena, where outdoor scenery often adds to a home's appeal, this visual connection helps blur the line between inside and outside, making your living areas feel more spacious and connected. Strategic placement plays a big role in maximizing these benefits. Installing picture windows in areas that receive the most sunlight, such as living rooms, dining areas, or open concept spaces, ensures you get the greatest impact. South or west-facing walls, for example, can capture sunlight throughout much of the day, creating a naturally bright environment without the need for additional lighting. Natural light doesn't just improve aesthetics, it can also help reduce energy usage. With more sunlight entering your home, you may rely less on artificial lighting during daylight hours. This can lead to lower electricity consumption and contribute to a more energy-efficient household. For Pasadena homeowners, this is a simple way to combine comfort with cost savings. Modern picture windows are also designed with energy efficiency in mind. While they allow in plenty of light, advanced glass technologies help control heat transfer. Features like low E coatings and insulated glass ensure that your home stays comfortable, preventing excessive heat from entering during warmer days while retaining indoor temperatures when it's cooler. This means you can enjoy bright spaces without sacrificing comfort. Another benefit is the clean, modern look that picture windows provide. Their sleek design fits well with a variety of architectural styles, from contemporary homes to more traditional layouts. In Pasadena, where home design often reflects both style and functionality, picture windows offer a timeless upgrade that enhances curb appeal as well as interior comfort. Low maintenance is another reason homeowners appreciate picture windows. With no moving parts, there's less wear and tear over time. This means fewer repairs and easier upkeep, allowing you to enjoy the benefits of natural light without added hassle. While picture windows do not open for ventilation, they can easily be paired with operable windows nearby. This combination allows you to enjoy both fresh air and abundant sunlight, creating a balanced and comfortable living environment. For homeowners in Pasadena, picture windows are an excellent choice for maximizing natural light and improving the overall feel of a home. They brighten interiors, enhance views, and create a more open and inviting atmosphere. If you're looking to transform your living space, adding picture windows is a simple yet impactful upgrade. With the right placement and professional installation, you can enjoy a brighter, more beautiful home that feels connected to the outdoors every day.